Welcome to our comparison video based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Today we're putting two popular treadmills head-to-head, the UMAY Fitness Home Auto Folding Treadmill and the See-and-Fix Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill 2-in-1.
Let's see which one could be the perfect addition to your home gym. When it comes to price, the See-and-Fix Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill 2-in-1 comes in at a more affordable $299, appealing to budget-conscious buyers.
On the other hand, the UMAY Fitness Home Auto Folding Treadmill is priced at $369, suggesting it might offer more premium features or build quality.
The UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts a quiet, brushless motor ideal for those wanting to exercise without disturbing others, peaking at speeds of 8.7 miles per hour. In contrast, the See-and-Fix Walking Pad offers a 2.5 HP motor with dual shock absorption, indicating it's designed for comfortable, low-impact workouts.
Feature-wise, the UMAY treadmill includes pulse sensors and a hydraulic system for easy folding, appealing to tech-savvy users.
Meanwhile, the See-and-Fix Walking Pad's dual functionality as a walking pad and under-desk treadmill caters to those looking for versatility and the ability to multitask.
The UMAY treadmill offers a solid warranty with a 5-year frame and 1-year parts coverage, suggesting confidence in its durability. See-and-Fix, while ready out of the box, emphasizes quick customer response, appealing to those valuing service and support. Reviewers appreciate the UMAY Fitness Treadmill for its compact, foldable design, quiet operation, and easy assembly, highlighting its convenience for small spaces and consistent performance.
The See-and-Fix Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill receives praise for its versatility, ease of use, and compactness, making it ideal for those with limited space or looking to multitask. However, some users noted issues with belt noise and internet disruption, suggesting potential drawbacks for certain users.
Thank you for watching our comparison video. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Whether you're drawn to the quiet and compact design of the UMAY Fitness Treadmill or the versatility and affordability of the See-and-Fix Walking Pad, your feedback is valuable. Don't forget, product links are in the description. Until next time.